How to add credit card in Amex. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create or add a credit card. First of all, open the application. So here, this interface will pop up in your home. Now on the top, you'll be able to see this card option. Simply tap on cards. So these are the card selection you have. So there are different cards option that you can choose from, and every card has their own benefits. So simply select on the one and simply tap on save. Now here on the bottom you can see different access and different premiums and rewards that are available. So first you must enable and locate your bank with this card, and every purchase you do you'll be able to earn points that you can redeem or later use on this access. So try collecting all the points and later can be used for this. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.